Welcome to another edition of Matthew's Mastercam Tips. Today's blog will be a video taken from our new course, 2D High-Speed Dynamic Milling. This course covers all aspects of the 2D high-speed toolpaths, including dynamic mill, area mill, dynamic contour, peel mill, and blend mill. Some other topics covered in this course include solid and wireframe chaining, toolpath filtering, speed and feed calculations for dynamic toolpaths, as well as the use of rest material, now referred to as stock, in Mastercam 2017. The following video covers the use of two new features in Mastercam 2017, Chaining Preview and Toolpath Preview.
Preview chains and Preview Toolpath. New for Mastercam 2017 is the ability to preview chains and preview toolpaths. Preview chains allows you to visualize the cutting area created as a result of your selected geometry. Preview toolpath allows you to calculate and see the toolpath that results from the settings within the operation. With some of the more complex dynamic toolpaths, previewing the actual toolpath would take an excessive amount of time. This is where it would make more sense to use the preview chains function. On more basic high-speed toolpaths such as blend, area mill, or peel, previewing the toolpath may be a better option. Using the same file from Chaining Parts 1 and 2 videos, we can demonstrate the preview chains function. Launch a dynamic mill toolpath. Notice at the bottom of the chain options menu, there is now a button for preview chains, and beside that, a button that will open the color options for the preview. Click the Colors button now. Here we see 4 selections that a color can be set for. Material region is the region where the cutting portion of the toolpath will occur. Material crosshatch applies a hatch to this same area. The motion region is an area of the toolpath where the tool is allowed to travel. The tool will not necessarily travel in all areas of the motion region. Tool containment shows any boundaries where the tool cannot cross. Colors can be set for all 4 from the pull-down menus. Back on the Chain Options menu, let's chain some geometry. First, a closed chain set to Stay Inside. Once the geometry is chained, click the Preview Chains button. You can see the cross-hatched area where cutting motion will occur and the yellow containment boundary. Now set the strategy to From Outside and preview the result. The cross-hatched area remains the same, but we now have a blue motion region around the part. This shows where the tool is allowed to travel. Let's add some avoidance regions. Turn the visibility of level 2 on and then add 3 circles as avoidance regions. Again, preview the result. As expected, the material region now excludes the circles. Turn on level 3 and add that geometry as a containment region. Preview the result. Both the material region and motion region are now limited by the selected geometry. Green check to accept this geometry, and we can now start creating the rest of the operation. Inside the toolpath's parameters, you still have access to the Preview Chains button, which is located on the Toolpath Type page. Clicking this button a second time will toggle the preview on and off. For this operation, set the tool to use a 3/4 end mill. Set the stock to leave at 0 and then click the Toolpath Preview button located in the top menu. The toolpath now displays in the graphic area. Notice the difference between where this toolpath actually travels and what was defined as a motion region in the chain preview. Increase the step over to 45% and use Toolpath Preview again to see the resulting toolpaths change. Chaining Preview and Toolpath Preview are 2 very useful tools for creating truly optimal high-speed toolpaths. This completes the Preview Chaining and Preview Toolpath overview.